Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore about a violin that is so small it's tinier than a speck of dust. Can it really be played? Scientists have created a violin that is smaller than a single strand of human hair, almost the same size as a speck of dust. You cannot play it, but it is still a standing proof of how much technology has evolved. The violin has been made by scientists at Loughborough University. Earth.com reported. It measures only 35 microns long and 13 microns wide. 1 micron is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. In comparison, even tardigrades, the infamous water bears that have become famous for surviving exposure to the vacuum of space, are much larger than the violin. Tardigrades typically measure between 50 and 1,200 microns. Why did they choose to create the violin? It is supposedly an ode to the phrase, "Can you hear the world's smallest violin playing just for you?" A lot of research and sophisticated technology went into creating the violin. The university has a new nanolithography system, a platform that can work at the nanoscale. Scientists wanted to show off its caliber, and so decided to create the tiny violin. Though creating the world's smallest violin may seem like fun and games, a lot of what we've learned in the process has actually laid the groundwork for the research we're now undertaking, Professor Kelly Morrison, head of the physics department, said. The scientists at the university used a machine called the NanoFrazor to make the violin. A process called thermal scanning probe lithography was used, in which a heated tip, as sharp as a needle, writes detailed designs at the nanoscale. 2 layers of a gel-like material, called a resist, are coated on a chip, after which a violin design is etched into the top layer using the NanoFrazor. Once set, the exposed areas are dissolved and a violin-shaped cavity remains. Platinum is then applied in a thin coat, and the remaining material is rinsed away to reveal the miniature instrument. Glove boxes and sealed chambers are used to avoid any kind of contamination, while robotic arms are used to move the chip. The team created several tiny violins before making the final version that took months to perfect. Professor Morrison says that the method can be used to develop new technologies. Once we understand how materials behave, we can start applying that knowledge to develop new technologies. But first, we need to understand the fundamental science, and this system enables us to do just that. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.